Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to block sender in Yahoo Mail. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Yahoo Mail app. So once you open your Yahoo Mail app, all you need to do is simply tap on the person or sender and tap on the block senders option. So once you hit the block senders, you need to now tap on OK, which will allow you to block the certain sender as well as block all the future email from their account and deleting the existing emails that has been sent from that account. Once you tap on OK, the sender will be blocked and you can block other senders as well following these simple and easy steps. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.